representatives. And for our first performer, for our second batch, she will be expressing herself through an artistic Visayan song, highlighting that love doesn't always end with a happy ending, but a choice to move on. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Miss Tampilaran.
An honor to stand before a gathering of Bacolano race. It makes me even prouder to think that I, a unique blend of Francisco Dagu's fighting spirits in the leadership
A representative from Tagbilaran City.
And not to forget, Jomel!